This is an amazing dessert. You go in the store, you get some peaches, bring them home. I left mine outside the refrigerator for 2 days, so that way they get a little softer. I took one peach, I gave it a nice wash, I split it in half, I removed the pit. Then what I did, I took a teaspoon of maple syrup and I poured it a half of the peach. Then I sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon and I put it inside the microwave for 1 minute. Then what I did, I took this low carb ice cream and I put it on the top. This recipe is amazing. It's a dessert to make you feel good and not feel guilty. I do enjoy taking a regular recipe and make it healthier. If you have a recipe you would like me to make it healthier, please send me an email.